Right, guys, we're in Honolulu right now, and we're traveling to New York.
And welcome back to Playing Catastrophes. And we're about to get on Gate 5. Let's go. That was so cringe.
There's a little plane dude, her little pilot.
I was about to, and a co-pilot.
Warning.
That was our pilot. Are you okay? Did you just fall down?
I took a little fall.
Are you okay?
I don't know.
What do you mean you don't know?
All right, we're on a smaller plane this time. It's just better for our health, guys.
Health?
Yeah, it's better for our health because we get more money and we can pay our bills because we don't breathe when it's the oxygen time. So we need some good oxygen
And we also live together.
Yeah.
We're roommates.
So this one gives us a bigger paycheck.
Because we have to split the bills. Ah, crap.
Where's the little seats at? Oh, one's right here. I'm sitting in this one.
Okay. I'll get everything ready then.
Yup.
No, what? I know. Help me.
Okay.
I'm not going to let you get paid then.
Okay, I'm going to do these people. You close the tops. Sit up in your seat and buckle yourself.
Are we not
You
gonna...
need to buckle yourself.
Did we shut the door?
I did.
Okay.
Close the...
Everything ready?
Send it back.
Take off. We're taking off. Soon.
Please be seated, everyone. Alrighty.
Oh, we're ready. Oh, someone's on the runway.
Y'all can blast. Oh.
Y'all can die.
Oh.
No, I'm just joking.
You have been so that we will be doing not die.
What?
James Davies said that.
What the heck are you?
Oh.
I'll do strengths again.
I'll do some nice yummy foods. What would you like to snack on?
Water. Water. Guys, there's only 2 waters. Oh, light turbulence. I forgot what you wanted to drink now, I'm sorry. What?
This girl's not even asking me if I multiple times.
We have a light turbulence going on, guys, so if the camera starts shaking, I'm sorry. Oh, there's turbulence. We're in a little turbulence. Would you like anything? Oh, sorry, I must ask you what you drink, Mom. Mom, no, you're fine. You're mine. What do you want? Water? Okay, be nice. Jeez. The man wants something to drink, Mom. What do you want? What did you say you wanted to drink?
How am I supposed to?
You keep covering it. Coca. Would you like a ginger ale? Okay, oh. Is this actually going to be a normal flight?
Hopefully not.
I mean, what? Did you say?
I'm going to crash.
The heck?
I don't like this anymore. I'm kidding, y'all. Don't be afraid of crash.
No, it will not.
No.
This episode 2.
Live life.
Episode 2, Slay this person.
Okay, we're going with green.
What the?
We're green, guys.
Guys, we're Grain McCockles.
We're green gals.
Are you done feeding?
Uh-huh.
No, you're not.
Yeah.
No.
Oh, there's one little gal left.
Gal. I'm almost. Oops, I just accidentally gave her random hand.
Alright.
My last one.
Ow.
Coffee. Okay. Hey, you just got sat up there, so that's my turn.
No. You get it on the way back, remember? Because you got it on the way.
No, I didn't. You liar.
Oh, yeah. But that's... You can get it...
Oh, we have to get trash anyways.
Yeah, we have to get trash. You get it when we pick up trash.
You don't get to go outside the gym.
Mom, you're photobombing our video.
Mom. I got my son done one.
Well, you started before me.
Shouldn't be, but
At least I'm better than you, that means. Why is it green?
Because I've made it green. No. Alrighty, let's get everyone ready for so they don't...
Oh, I forgot about that part. Buckle.
Oh, I'm sorry, sir. You have to put up your table.
Table.
Pull up your
Buckle.
seat.
Seat.
What would you...
Buckle.
You need to buckle your seat.
Your tray. Buckle.
Let me... I don't want you. Stop it. It's so annoying. Alright, everyone needs to be seated.
Go sit.
We'll keep this crap over.
Heavy.
Alright.
We're landing.
We're landing, everyone.
There's one aircraft in the way. Dang it.
We need to be patient, everyone. It's okay.
I'm too impatient for this. This needs to heavy. This stupid aircraft.
Aircraft. Mom, that's gonna be in our video unless I have to edit it out now. You're making me do more work.
Yeah, Mom.
You're not.
Also, how are we talking to her? We're on an airplane.
We have more service. We're almost landed.
Are you calling her?
Yeah.
Are we landed?
We're gonna leave that one in, I guess. Actually, I'll think about it.
What is on that roof? We're landing. We're landing.
No, we have full service, everyone.
We do.
Everyone can pull out the phones, but it might explode. Just beware.
What?
Sometimes that happens.
It does?
Mine
Oh,
didn't.
let's see the landing. Let's see the landing.
Oh, so smooth. Hopefully it's not crumply. Oh, no. It's crumpled today, everyone. Sorry for that landing.
Ignore the animal sounds.
Yeah, that's the sounds from the outside because
That's
they're
tons
reuniting.
of...
There's army guys and they're reuniting with their dogs.
Yeah, definitely.
And the dogs
Yeah. Oh,
are
wait,
running at
don't look
our-
outside. Don't look outside. Oh, guys, we could see our passengers through the windows.
Yo. All right, we're about to skip it.
Oh, we can't tell them that. Oh, we just made it back to our thing. I wonder how.
I wonder.
You got to shut it now. I get to open it. That's how those rules work. Okay, let's hurry up. So let me go into this. What is that man looking like? He looked like a beggar
Right,
man.
you can pop it open.
No, I can't. Oh, there. A single mom who works to jump and loves. Now we just gotta wait until everyone leaves. Oh my god, I just accidentally kissed a
All right,
man.
let's see what our
I
pay-
kissed a man.
Hopefully our paycheck's better this time, everyone.
Perfect.
Oh, it's just a little lower, but it's like literally like $20 lower for an easier flight.
Ella. Now it's alright, guys. Come on, where are you, Mia?
Alright.
Thank you for watching Plane Catastrophe. Bye. Why are you so
Bye, y'all.
short?
Hopefully we